Hello dears, our next topic is definite integration and I'm just discussing a very important topic in the definite integration, that is sum of series by definite integration. Now I'll just cite a very easy example of that. Limit n is tending towards infinite and 1 upon 1 plus n plus 1 upon 2 plus n up till 1 upon n plus n. Now I can write this into a general format, that is limit n is tending towards infinite sigma of r equals to 1 to n 1 upon r plus n. Now if I'm putting the value 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get the same equation or same series what we have. Okay, now what we have to do in this case, that we have to take 1 upon n common from this, so this will reduce into the sigma of r equals to 1 to n 1 upon 1 plus r by n into 1 upon n. Now we have to do few of the special things which we have to understand. Right now variable is r by n. We have to convert this one into x. Actually we are applying the concept of definite integration over there. This thing is very important in this case, because r by n is a variable in this thing. When we are applying the sigma, then r by n is varying, so r by n is taken as x. Okay, then 1 by n will be taken as dx, that is a small change in the x. What is the small change? That is 1 by n. Okay, then what? How to find out the limit of that? How to find out the limit of that? You just see that figure. r is varying from r is varying from 1 to n, you can see. Then r by n will vary from 1 by n to 1. Now 1 by n is a very small thing, as n is tending towards infinite, so it is near about 0, so this will be 0 to r by n will be x and this will be 1. So x is varying between 0 to 1. So what our equation will be? You just see that the equation 1 will reduce into the definite integration of the form 0 to 1, 0 to 1, it is 1 upon 1 plus x into dx. What is the value of this? It is log of 1 plus x, and limit applied is 0 to 1. If you apply the limit, your answer will be log 2. I think it's a very easier process to understand how to find out the sum of limits. Okay, there are so many questions which are being asked in your examinations. You just do with this process. Be aware about that right now r is varying from 1 to n. If this is varying from anything else, then this limit will change. Suppose in the same examples, as this is the easiest example which I have, just to tell you in an easier manner. Okay, if your series is just like this, that it is limit n is tending towards infinite is 1 upon 1 plus n plus 1 upon 2 plus n up till it is 1 upon 3n plus n. It means what? r is varying from 1 to 3n. This means that x will vary from 0 to 3. You got this or not? If x is varying from 0 to 3, then our limit will be 0 to 3, 1 upon 1 plus x into dx, and this your answer will be log 4 in this case. Okay, so that will depend upon the value or range of the r, that from which value to which value r is varying. You got this or not? I think this concept is very easier for you right now. You just try the other concepts which are given in the notes. Okay dears?